swift, relentless fury faced, their mightiest arms we set at naught, their insolence and pride abased. On all men's minds we set thy seal. Thy tawhid's firm and sure impressed, the self-same message preached our lips when swords danced high in battle's stress. Declare thou whose fierce valor once did Khyber's barriers overthrow, or whose resistless might once laid famed Caesar's proud as cities low, who smashed to dust man's hand-wrought gods, those things of straw and earth and clay, and who did unbelieving hosts to spread thy name and glory slay. And who was it that quenched and cooled the fiery urns of fair Iran, thy holy Kaaba's hallowed shrine, whose bosoms rivenly held thy great and glorious book divine? If our meet still the obloquy that we have shirked the faithful's part, how then canst thou make claim to be the kindly faith compelling heart? For there are those of other faiths, among whom many sinners, some humble, others puffed with pride, drunken in their effrontery. If some have vision, thousands are of little worth, neglectful worse, and millions upon millions live from thy dear glorious name of earth. Yet see how still thy bounties rain on roofs of unbelieving clans, while strikes thy thunderbolt the homes of all forbidding Mussulmans. In idle houses, hark, they say, behold the Muslim star sinks low. How glad they are that now at last thy Kaaba's brave protectors go. They say the world is well rid now of him reciting camel men, their Quran folded in their arms. At last they hide them from our ken. Thus they rejoice who own thee not, yet still unmindful seemest thou of thine own oneness. Thy Tawhid art thou so unregarding now, that ignorant men who lack the grace to ope their lips in conclave high